To enable voice access on your Samsung phone, start by going to the Settings menu. You can do this by tapping the settings icon on your home screen or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down and select Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, you will see a variety of options to help you customize your phone to fit your needs. Select Interaction and Dexterity. In the Interaction and Dexterity menu, you will see an option for Voice Assistant. However, to enable full voice access, you need to select Voice Assistant and then choose the option to use voice commands for menus and other interface elements. You can also enable Voice Wake Up command by going to the Bixby settings. Bixby is Samsung's virtual assistant and can be used to control your phone with voice commands. To enable Bixby Voice Wake Up, go to the Settings menu, select Bixby, and then toggle the switch to turn on Wake with Hi Bixby. To use voice access, you can say Hi Bixby or press and hold the Bixby button on your phone. You can then give voice commands to navigate your phone, make calls, send texts, and perform other tasks. It is a good idea to customize your Bixby settings to fit your needs. You can do this by going to the Bixby Settings menu and selecting the options you want to use. For example, you can choose which apps you want to use with Bixby and customize the Voice Wake Up command. By following these steps, you can enable voice access on your Samsung phone and start using voice commands to control your device. This feature can be very useful for people who have difficulty using their phone with their hands, or for anyone who wants to try a new way of interacting with their phone.